Hey everyone in the YouTube world, it's Craig from Flying Wheels. I have here a 2000 Chevy Corvette, and this is what's happening on it. It's very frustrating. My headlight keeps popping up. Looks like it's winking at everybody going down the road. I'm gonna turn my headlights on. You'll see it winking. When I shut it off, it winks again on the left side. I know the motor's working. Obviously the motor's working. The headlight's going up and down. I'm gonna show you how to fix it for free. No money. This isn't gonna cost you a thing. In lieu of it costing you nothing, mail me $20 as a thank you. You can send it to Flying Wheels if you feel like being so generous. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to fix this car for free. Let's get started on how to do it. Secondly, if this video is at all helpful, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up down below, and make sure to subscribe for more car tips and tricks. One other thing before we get started, I'm going to give you the easiest trick of all. So you'll see here is your headlight motor. This cap just comes right off like so, and you can twist this, manually moving the headlight to where you would like. So you can adjust it afterwards. You can see here I kind of have a gap right here. So you can adjust this just by turning this right here, and you can get it to line up just a little bit better. So if your headlight was all the way up blinking at people as oncoming traffic, you could turn it down manually, getting it to where you need it to be until you have time to fix it. So it's just that right there, and then you're aligned, all set and done. First things first, with the headlights up, you'll see two Torx bolts right here and right here. Remove those. Next, you will see the side cover. Phillips screwdriver here, and a Phillips screw right here. We're gonna unscrew those and remove that black cover. There was a third over here as well, so we remove this one too. So this cover just pops down, and next we're gonna remove the Torx here and the Torx here. Hopefully that side screw wasn't stripped like mine was, but this cover will just remove like so once those are out. I'm going to show you what's wrong. Right in here, you'll see that white cap. That is essentially the bump stop for the motor. So what happens is the motor comes down and hits this, and this piece stops it. Well, that piece is worn. You can see it being worn. So it hits this, goes past it, and then comes back up. What we're gonna do is replace this. And the reason I said this is free is not only because I'm showing you how to do it for free, is because this is gonna cost you nothing. Chevy, it's like they knew this was gonna happen to cars and give you extra bump stops. Look at right here, and it just pulls right off. I use this and replace it on this side. Next, we're gonna remove the Torx bolts here, 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 and here. It's gonna remove this cover. Hey, I forgot to mention, you might want to disconnect the battery depending on how long this project is going to take you. I already know how to do this, so I'm going to do it a little bit quicker so I save time by not disconnecting your battery, but you might want to disconnect the battery. That way you don't kill your battery, because the lights are going to stay on because you have to keep them up in place. Now that the torque bolts are out, this cover will remove. So I had a long pair of pliers, so that's what I used to pry that little cap off on the inside, but you can really do it by hand as well if you don't have a pair of these. And then I just took the cap off this side and popped it in down there. Last thing, I'm going to zoom in right here so you can see this arm. Let me see if I can get my finger in there. This arm right here is touching this plastic piece, and it's touching the very, very tip of the white. So eventually it's just going to keep wearing this piece out as well. We can actually bend that arm over a little bit towards the engine, and it'll push it towards the middle or the center of that white cap and save it from premature wear. One more thing as well. So I'm going to put this in here. You can see the cap I replaced. That's the bottom cap. So that's the stopper when the headlight is up all the way. The top one is the stopper for the headlight to be closed. So we can actually see when I told you to move that bump or that lever in more, bend it in. That's the reason why. It's chopping the edge off both plastic pieces. Now, reversing the process is quite simple because you already know how to do it. You've already removed all this stuff. The only thing I can say is lining this cover back up. Now, the easiest way to look, like my car has some markings just from where the screws were already. So you can see there, all I need to do is line it up there, tighten it down, and you are lined up. The process is finished, so let's test it out. Oh, bingo. Up, down, perfect. And there you have it. It's finished. It's fixed for free. It didn't cost you a dime, and it didn't cost you anything more than just your time. So you're welcome. Make sure to subscribe down below. Give me a thumbs up if this video was at all helpful. If you feel like donating to me, just because of the goodness out of your own heart and feel like being charitable, you can mail me a check, PayPal payments. I take cash. I take McDonald's receipts for McGriddles and double cheeseburgers and Rice Krispie Treat cereal, the purple box, not the blue. All right, everybody. See you later. Thanks for watching. Adios.